In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the Hostinger platform effectively, specifically focusing on leveraging the tools and features available at Hostinger and Horizons. Hostinger.com. Whether you're setting up your first website or expanding your web presence, understanding these interfaces will enhance your experience and streamline your website management process. Let's start our journey at the core of Hostinger operations, where everything begins. You'll want to first navigate to the Hostinger homepage. This is your gateway to an array of powerful tools and options designed to make your web hosting experience both intuitive and effective. As you land on this page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you have a stress-free experience. Once you're comfortable, let's proceed to the next pivotal step in our journey: adding a new website. Still on the home page, you'll notice the option to Add Website. This is a crucial part of growing your online presence, whether you are starting fresh with a new project or integrating additional sites into your existing business structure. Click on this option to initiate the process. As you do, consider what kind of site you're planning to set up. This can range from e-commerce, blogs, portfolios, or any site that suits your needs. Hostinger's flexible platform can accommodate various types of websites, providing custom solutions tailored to meet your specific requirements. After clicking on Add Website, it's time to delve into Hostinger Horizons. Hostinger Horizons offers advanced features that enhance your website's performance and management. To access these, simply click on Hostinger Horizons as indicated on your screen. This part of the journey is where you can really amplify your web capabilities, taking full advantage of the myriad of options available. From analytics to enhanced performance tools, the Horizon interface supplements your foundational website with features that can track visitor behavior, optimize site speed, and secure your online presence. As you explore Horizons, don't hesitate to use the various resources available to you. Hostinger offers robust support and a range of insights to guide your decisions as you expand and optimize your site. Use these features as a toolkit to meet your individual or business needs effectively. By now, you should feel more comfortable navigating Hostinger and aware of how to utilize these powerful features effectively. It's about making the most of your online presence and ensuring that your digital footprint is both impactful and efficient. Thanks to Hostinger's comprehensive suite, you're well equipped to achieve this. And there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to mastering Hostinger's platform. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy hosting!